Welcome to Investing Alchemist, where we journey through the world of finance and investments. Today, we kickstart our exploration of the stock market in episode 1 of our series. Before we dive into the intricacies of the stock market, let's begin with a fundamental question. Why are you interested in the stock market? It's not just about making money. It's about understanding your why. Having clarity means knowing your financial goals, your comfort level with risk, and how long you plan to invest. In the vast world of stock market activities, there are two primary paths: short-term trading and long-term investing. Short-term trading involves rapid transactions, like day trading and swing trading, aiming to profit from short-term price changes. Long-term is when you hold on to investments for a long time, like years or even decades. So, which way should you go? It depends on what you want, how much risk you can handle, and what you have to work with. If you want quick money and can spend time on it, short-term trading might work. But remember, it needs lots of learning. On the other hand, long-term investing is about slowly growing your money over time. Some folks find a mix of both works best, like having a part-time job while growing your savings. We'll discuss why you should be interested in the stock market. It's all about achieving financial freedom. Financial freedom means having enough money to cover your expenses without working for it. Typically, people work during their prime years to make money. They save and invest that money to achieve financial freedom, which allows them to pursue their passions and enjoy life without financial worries. But here's the catch. If you rely on traditional savings methods like fixed deposits or savings accounts, your money might not grow fast enough to beat inflation. Inflation causes prices for goods and services to rise each year. If your savings don't grow more than the inflation rate, you are effectively losing purchasing power. This is where the stock market comes in. Stocks and mutual funds offer the potential for higher returns when chosen wisely. The stock market is like a roller coaster, but it can be a tool to help you build wealth and reach financial freedom. So, why trade in the stock market? Trading is a way to generate income quickly. It involves making short-term trades, such as intraday trading or swing trading. This can be a viable option if you need immediate income. Long-term investing is a fundamental duty. Everyone should consider it as a way to grow their savings and achieve financial freedom. However, if your income is not sufficient, you have two choices: improve your job or business income or start trading in the stock market. Trading can help you generate additional income to invest in long-term assets. But remember, not everyone needs to become a trader. Increasing your job skills or finding a better job can also boost your income. Long-term investing should be a part of everyone's financial strategy. To wrap it up, the stock market can be your path to a better financial future. But it all starts with knowing why you are doing it and picking the right way for you. Whether you prefer short-term trading, long-term investing, or a blend of both, remember that continuous learning, patience, and disciplined decisions are your keys to success. If you liked this video, hit like and subscribe for more insights on finance and investing. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial freedom.